Hello, good afternoon everyone. Then I will talk about the construction of house in the Bartolomé area. The inhabitants have been really benefited in housing projects, especially in agricultural workers. The job benefit, but as such there are many projects current. Starting the project for delivery, some under construction, but with apartments with a capacity of 500 homes, and the projection is to reach more than 1,500 homes in order to help people with comfortable plans to pay for their finances with the company where they work, or people who have the possibility of paying them in cash. An example here in the area is the Compound Gardens project that consists of several states with blocks made up of the 20 apartments, and its projection is to make more blocks in order to help people achieve the dream of having their own home, and therefore it is a dream that not everyone can fulfill. But the key is that the people will allow historic growth agreements with companies and succeed. The plan in series gives you show that you can achieve the dream, and on the other hand, in the infrastructure is they are blocks very safe and beautiful on the outside, and a very beautiful internal structure which is not completely finished, but in great work with 2 bedrooms, a large bedroom, the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, in the wet area. But it is already except what the person moves before their apartment. It is already like painting and furnishing it. Thank you so much.